Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 148 different strategies, with 52 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 86% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says master scalping trading with the most accurate buy-sell signal indicator on TradingView. And of course, we're going to put that claim to the test and see if the strategy is really that accurate. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and turn off these indicators here. The first indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the ultimate buy and sell indicator. And so once you add that to the screen, it will look similar to this right here. What we're going to do is we are going to go into the style here, and we're going to turn off the background color on these 4 settings right here, and everything else will be on the default. The next indicator you will want to add to the screen is going to be the Fibonacci Bollinger volume weighted deviation indicator, and it will look like, give it 1 second, this right here. On that one, you will leave that on the default settings, so you won't change anything there. So what we're looking for is when the ultimate buy and sell gives us a sell signal or a buy signal. And we are looking for the Fibonacci to match the sell or buy signal. So in this case, you see that the Fibonacci is red colored there, and so that's going to match our sell signal. It's going to be all the criteria we need to go short. And you see that the sell signal actually takes place 1 bar into the future, not on the close of the signal candle right here, but on this one. And so then we're going to set our stop at the high of these bands right here on the ultimate buy and sell, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward to see what we get out of it. Alright, so you see here that it makes a pullback here, gets close to our stop, doesn't quite trigger it before it then pulls rolls over and makes this nice push to the downside there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a long trade, we are looking for the ultimate indicator to give us that buy signal. And when we get that buy signal, we're then going to look down to the Fibonacci indicator, and we're looking for it to be the green color as you see here. Now, it can be either light green or it can be the dark green. See if I can find an instance of that. See how it's bright red right there, or a dark red color, and then light red. And so it can be either light green or dark green, light red or dark red. But anyways, once we get the buy signal and the Fibonacci is green, that's going to be our signal to then go long. We'll put our stop right below the band there, like before, the lower band, and we're going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, just like before, we get a little bit of a pullback coming down, kind of close to our stop, doesn't quite trigger it, then rolls and makes this really nice push straight up there, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades, putting us at a 38% win rate. Now with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain there would have been $11,400. On the losing side, though, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade, which means that you would have lost $12,400 for a total loss of $1,000 altogether after the 50 trades. So definitely not the best way to master scalping, and not the most accurate buy and sell signal indicator by far. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy, which we've mentioned a few times before already here in this video. During that same period of time, we did 48 trades altogether. We had 42 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting us at that 86% win rate. On the winning side, if you were looking to gain that same $600 per winning trade, your total there would have been $25,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $4,680 for a total profit of $20,520. Now, if that is too excessive, that's fine. Just cut it down even in half, even in fourths. You would have had a significantly better profit out of the Academy of Forex strategy with far less risk than you would have using this strategy during the same period of time and risking far more on your account. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it is only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you have to maintain your Patreon status as well. And so it's super cheap for a profitable, efficient strategy to use. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. And so this is the signals each week from these select Forex pairs, these 4 here, and this one crypto coin. This is using the Academy of Forex strategy. This is on the 30-minute time frame. And so for the Forex pairs this week, we did 11 trades, 6 winning trades, 5 losing trades, a 54% win rate. And so we would have been down just at $300 on the week, just with the Forex pairs. On the crypto coin, though, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, a 100% win rate, and our gain would have been $1,200. So for the week, with these combined, our total gain would have been $900. And so, of course, this week is still in this time period right now. It's definitely a bad time to be trading. Markets are indecisive and don't have a lot of follow through. Hopefully in the next few weeks, we'll get out of this holiday market season and back to the normal markets. And we'll get back to kind of our normal weeks like we've seen before. And so, but this is a testament to the reality of trading. You're going to have good weeks. You're going to have bad weeks. The idea is to have really good weeks and very small bad weeks. And so you see here, even last week, we were just down $100. And this week, we just had a $900 gain. Now, on average, our good weeks are usually around $4,000. And so you can see that our bad weeks are super small. Our good weeks are really decent, for the most part anyways. And so 5 weeks now, we've been profitable. Altogether, we would have had $14,080. And so not bad at all over the 5-week period. So, all right, that's it for this strategy here. So this one here is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.